survive COVID, no vaccine. Donna Nyapil, I'm coming alive. I'm full of ambition. I came out the hood. I'm looking for change out of the cage. All of these niggas are goats. Villain in boozy, kill all the goats.
Hello and welcome to another video. So this is the update from the last video, right? So it's been a month since I've posted anything on the channel, and the reason for that is just that I've been busy, also trading and doing all of those stuff. And I said that I'm no longer gonna be sharing my trades on the channel until I hit a certain number. And the reason for that is because I wanted to do things on my own for now, right? Because now I no longer also share trades on my Telegram group and all of those things because it's a free Telegram group. So I'm not expecting anybody to tell me what to do, when to post, because people are expecting me to post trades there. Some people get angry when we don't post and they leave the Telegram group, but it's a free Telegram group, guys. So for me, I decided that I'm no longer going to be doing that. I'll be focusing on myself for now until I hit a certain number, until my goals are reached, right? So I've been trading from the last video that I posted. We've been trading. I'll put some of the stuff here on the side of the channel, on the side of the video, and then you'll be able to see that we've been trading. It's just that we've not been sharing the trades, on Telegram or the YouTube channel. So, and we also had a goal, by December, we were pushing the channel to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, it's free, guys. Please just subscribe to the channel. But I'm not just asking for your sub, right? You can go test drive my content, go test it, watch whatever you want to watch. And if you like the videos that I'm posting, then you can give the boy a like, or a subscriber or subscribe. And guys, as I was saying to you guys, you have to have goals. When you're doing this thing, you have to have goals. That's why for me, I'm no longer posting my trades, because I don't want any negative vibes to affect my trades, right? So that's why I'm keeping everything to myself for now. I did make losses. I made profit and I make losses. So it's part of the game. Losses are always going to be part of the game, but it's how you manage your losses also, right? So people also were asking me, Guti, how do they get the BTMM template? Guys, I'm gonna say this, Guti, stop being lazy, guys. Stop being lazy. This thing is very easy. You can just go to Google and find the template. If I was able to find it, you can find it too. So why must I give you a link to something that you can find on Google and it's easy to find? You must just stop being lazy. Because you being lazy, you want to be spoon-fed with everything. You're not gonna get anywhere in Forex. All right, that's why you'll end up wasting money getting mentors to mentor you and on all of that. I'm self-taught, right? I don't have a mentor. I'm self-taught. By everything I do it on my own. Nobody's telling me where to buy, where to sell, where to do anything. Nobody's teaching me anything. I'm self-taught. I don't have a mentor. So that's why I'm saying stop being lazy, guys. Stop being lazy. You being lazy won't help, because now you're trying to build your future. You're trying to build your portfolio, but you're being lazy. How is that gonna help you, right? So from the previous video, as I said, guys, we had a goal that we're pushing to get to a certain numbers, even for the channel. And I thank you so much for the people that are subscribing. I'm seeing the channel is growing, even if I'm not posting every week or like that, but I will try, guys. I always say this, that I'm trying to post every week, but sometimes things are not aligning to what I want and I'm not able to post anything. But still, people are subscribing to the channel. I see now we have 391 subscribers, and I really appreciate every single one of you subscribing. Now we're close to 400. We're going to 500 subscribers, but we on our road to 1,000 subscribers, right? That's the goal for it. Until the end of the year, by December, the channel must be, guys, must be, please. So if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, my guy. And as I said, you can go test drive our content or my content, and then you will see. If you like what you're seeing, then you can give the boy a sub, right? But yeah, so guys, the goal that we set, right, we're pushing towards it. Nothing is gonna stop me from doing what I said I'm gonna do. I'm sticking to my plan, and I'm pushing to what I want to get. Although I didn't tell you what my goal was, but I was speaking about a vision board on the last video, that you must have a vision board, you must have this, you must vision this thing, you must even pray about it, that this is what you want, right? For me, my goal is pushing, and my goal is to be a full-time Forex trader. But at this point, a lot of things are happening, right? And it's slow, it's moving slow. Not saying it's slow in terms of more making money, it's slow. No, it's slow because I'm making losses also. So when I make a loss, it's taking me back, right? Maybe 5 steps back. Whereas I'm trying to get, when I push 10 step forward and then I move 10 step back. So that's why I'm saying it's moving slow. But I'm seeing the change in my trading, because now gold is moving, guys. I won't lie to you, gold is now moving more than it was moving, right? So even with the 0.2, right, I'm gonna post the videos here, or the screenshots. Even with the 0.2, you can easily make 100 USD in a day, right? You can easily make 50 USD with just the 0.2. Even a 0.1, you can easily make $20, $30 in one trade, right? If you just hold your trades. That's the thing. So, because some people get scared when they get to $10, you close your trades and then you're out. But if you can learn to hold your trades much longer, then you'll see that gold is moving. Even if you hold for 100 pips, it's gold is moving, guys. Yeah, gold is moving. So with that being said, then you realize, Guti, you can still make your targets. You're right, you can make your targets. It's just that you have to be patient with everything you do, right? Be patient with your trades. Don't rush. Remember, we spoke about compounding, right? Which you must compound your account. The sacrifices you have to do, the certain things you will have to leave to focus on this thing fully, right? So for me, that's why I was saying I'm no longer gonna share my trades, because I needed to be focused. Me having all of these other things on the side was distracting me a lot, right? Imagine I have a Telegram group. Every time I have to post, and then I have to answer everyone's question that is asking a question, right? Then I have a YouTube channel that I need to record videos, I need to make videos, I need to edit those videos for you guys and post them. Then I still have to trade for myself. So all of those things were just making me, making me not be focused on what I'm doing. You see, that's why we will end up not seeing setups properly, not seeing when we're supposed to get out of the market. Once they start rejecting, you need to be out of the market. Steve also says it. If you enter by the peak and then it drops with you, and then they start rejecting at the bottom, you need to be out of the market, right? So those are all of the things that I was saying, right? We need to have a plan, we need to be focused, we need to do this and this and this. And as I said, this thing, guys, this thing is not easy, right? Especially if you're not gonna have an income. It's not gonna be something that you're gonna just do. You have to have something, you see. So that's why for me, I had my businesses that I was running on the side to try and maintain my trading career, right? Even if you have a job, that's why I was telling you guys, look, to stick to your job. Don't leave. Don't do what we do. Don't do what other people are doing. Focus on yourself. If you have a job, stick to your job, and then try and maintain your trading while you are working. And then once you start seeing results, and then you can transition to come to be a full trader. Although I understand that sometimes it's good, to be a full-time trader, because you focus on what you are doing, and nothing is distracting you, right? But if you only gonna have something that you're doing on the side also, that's gonna help you generate or make an income, so that if you blow your account, you can be able to fund it again, right? Even if you're not blowing, once you make money, you can be able to inject money into your business, because that's the whole point. Investment, right? I think in the next few videos we'll be talking about investments, right? Because you need to start investing in things either outside of Forex, like have investments, um, buying shares of companies and things like that, looking into property if you can. I'm not saying, let's say you do make money from Forex, like maybe 500 thousand or 500,000 maybe to 1 million. Let's say you make that money, you need to know what you're gonna do with that money, because if you don't know, then you end up spending it on the wrong things, right? So you need to have a plan. But once you have the money, what are you gonna do with the money, right? Because it's no point you making all of that money and you don't have a plan for the money, because it's just gonna be very blow. You're just gonna blow the money, right? You'll end up going into the channel or whatever, I blew it, they're telling your story of how you blew millions, right? So that's why I'm saying, have a plan, guys. Have a plan before the money even comes. Think about what you're gonna do with the money, right? And for me, that's why I always say, you mustn't think especially about the money, especially when you're new to this thing. Think about your strategies, think about your patterns, think about all of those things, your plan in that way. The money will come once you focus on all of these other things that you need to be doing, and then easily the money will come. Because if you are disciplined, I'll always say this, if you are a disciplined trader, you can go far than you can make this thing quicker than what we did. For us it took long, because for me especially, I don't have a mentor. And secondly, we were doing our own things, and we were risking too much. And I'm not saying I'm not risking right now, I still do risk, and I sometimes get burnt by that, right? I risk maybe half of my account, I risk my whole account, go full margin on this account, and then which is not something that you're supposed to do, right? But then now we've also came up with a plan. So once you make money, like let's say, as I said, once you invest maybe 50 US dollars, and then you get to 100, redraw your 50, your initial deposit, redraw it out of the market and leave the market's money. Then that way you start trading comfortably, right? Once you're using them, and then once you double it again, you don't make a withdrawal, you push to get to 200. Once you get to 200, you redraw the 100, then you leave 100, then you do it again. Once you get to 200, you don't take it out, and then you move into the next number. Even if you say it's 500 or it's 1,000, it depends on your plan, what you want, right? And then that's how you do it. But as I said, from the last month going on all the way to December, we must be focused, guys. Please focus to change things. Next year, January, people, usually people struggle during January, so you need to push to have a stable, you know, a stable account during that time, where what you can be trading and easily making 50 to 100 USD on a day on all one trade. And guys, also remember, the patterns are not gonna happen every day. You see, I think it was a lady that commented on the channel to say, I must tell you guys that these patterns don't happen every day. But even if I don't tell you guys, you're not supposed to trade every day, right? That's the main thing. You're not supposed to be trading every day. There's days where you're not supposed to be trading. We trade every day because we know what's happening. We know what we are doing, right? The patterns, because remember, the peak low won't happen every day, but in between from the peak to another peak, from peak to peak, there will be trades inside there, because I'm going to remember there's WVVM, right? So we understand it as a WVVM. So we are trading the VV before we get to the M. So that's why we will trade sometimes every day because of that. But we advise you not to do that, because the setups are not going to happen every day. You're not going to see them every day, right? You're going to end up seeing your own thing. So don't do it. Don't do it. Leave it to us who know what we are doing. And the rest of you just don't do it, especially if you're a new trader. Focus on the peak. Once they get to your peak high, you out of the market. Just focus on that. Then the scaling in part will come as you grow, and as you grow your account also, then that will come, right? But yeah, so yeah, for me guys, I think I'll leave the video here. The next video maybe I'll post will be going on the chats, or maybe on the PC, to show you guys a couple of things, how gold has changed and how it's moving now, because every time things change, right? You have to adapt to the change of how they move. Because if now you put in $10, they blow it quick, very quick. Even if you're using a 0.01, the lowest, they blow it quick because it's moving a lot now. But if you're right, you can be able to make nice profit, and then have discipline. Once you've made your money, move out of the market. Even if you take a loss, like let's say you have 100 USD account and you take a loss, you mustn't go back in the market the same day. Take a breather, relax, go do other things, and then come back the next day with a clear mind, because now you can't be forcing trades. And if you want to become a professional trader, you don't let the market control your emotions, right? Once you take a loss, you relax, you come back the next day, right, to have a clear mind on the setups. Because now if you're forcing trades on that day, you're trying to recover the money you just lost, you'll end up losing more money than you're supposed to. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna leave the video here. Yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as I said guys, I'm not just asking for you to subscribe to the channel. You can test drive my content, and then if you like, guys, please hit that sub. It's free guys, it's free to subscribe. You're not paying anything to subscribe, to be a subscriber, or to subscribe to the channel. So please do that. And for me, I guess I'll see you in the next video guys.